Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable screen recording on your AT&T device or app, follow these instructions to activate the feature and capture your screen activity. Step 1. For iPhone users, open the Settings app and navigate to Control Center. Tap on Customize Controls and add Screen Recording by tapping the green plus icon next to it. Step 2. For Android users with AT&T devices, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Screen Record icon. If it's not visible, tap Edit to add it to your Quick Settings. Step 3. Once screen recording is enabled in your settings, swipe down to open the Control Center, iPhone, or Quick Settings, Android. Step 4. Tap the Screen Recording icon. On iPhone, you'll see a 3-second countdown before recording begins. On Android, you may need to confirm permissions. Step 5. To record audio along with your screen, press and hold the screen recording icon and enable microphone before starting. Step 6. Perform the actions you want to record. The recording indicator will appear at the top of your screen. Step 7. To stop recording, tap the red recording indicator at the top of your screen and select Stop, or return to Control Center and tap the screen recording icon again. Step 8. Your screen recording will be saved to your Photos app or gallery, where you can view, edit, or share it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.